This is the WingmanData Mass Backup Data Demo. First, log in to the Mass Backup Data application online. Once authentication to your org is successful, go to the next step and select the objects you'd like to back up to your client. On this screen, you can see the objects that are utilized the most in your org. If you'd like to see all objects in your org, click this box. We're going to keep it simple and only back up a few objects. We'll select Account, Contacts, and Opportunities. You can see on this screen that if I choose to, I can change the number of objects or records within the object that I want to back up. I'm not going to change it, but you could change it here to 10, and the system will automatically adjust the number of rows from that object it'll pull. You can also do a percentage of the rows as well. Let's go to the next step. This is the filtering page. On the filtering interface, you can select all fields that you would like to back up. Everything on this side of the page is going to automatically be backed up when you run the application. If you don't want to back up all fields, you can deselect them by clicking here and moving them to the unselected fields. Like this. If I want to move it back, I simply select it and move it back to the selected fields. You can do the same function for each of the objects you chose in the previous step to be backed up, contacts or opportunities. Additionally, if you want to apply a filter, you can select filter down here and choose one of your data fields to filter on. We're going to keep it simple and not filter anything out on this backup. Let's go to the next step. On this step, the backup application is summarizing what you have chosen to do. You can read through this carefully once it pulls up and make sure that you are backing up everything as you desire, the objects and the filters. In this case, you can see here are the three objects that you're backing up. We didn't select any data field criteria, so nothing shows up in this area. You'll see how many rows you're going to transfer, and then here's the file name on the comma delimited file that it will download to. Let's say you want to customize these file names. In this case, I'll get 3 files, each named the object with 25 in the back. So let's start the backup process. Right now you have a choice. Do you want to download each of these objects separately or all at once? It's much easier to download them all at once. So we'll select that and download to our client. That's complete. Let's take a look at where they are. Downloads. Here they are. Here's our download files. You can open them up, comma delimited. You've successfully downloaded 13 records for accounts. Thank you for using WingmanData.